My damn bathroom's so bad today.
Yeah.
I don't have a clue fucking why. I didn't do a damn thing yesterday.
Sleep wrong. Looks pretty good if you level it out.
Level 2?
No. Needs to come out. That's good.
I need to scooch back just a hair, honey.
I think it'll fall in.
Pieces in the bottom,
Yeah.
I'm curious to see.
It definitely will.
Oh.
That's a deep hole. Hey, your PTO is rubbing on that trailer head. You want me to move it over to the side?
One of them little skinny beer cans fits perfect inside that 2 7/8 grill stem.
You think this tractor pull us out?
Yeah, I think so. Both people. You got plenty of room. That's probably good.
You want to wrap it around somewhere different on the top? It's gonna f that all up.
Think so?
For sure.
I want it high enough that it doesn't kick out.
It's gonna f the whole thing up.
Probably just go around this, huh?
That's not gonna break.
You got a trophy rock stuck in the forks.
What?
You got a trophy rock stuck in there.
Well, it's not very
You
stuck.
saving this?
How did we used to
Run
do
it
that?
one more time and just back on the. I might have a choker strap. Bad shape, 'cause I woke up sore this morning. Didn't do a damn thing yesterday. Eden, where's your grandpa at?
I don't know.
He's not over here giving us tips on how to do
Too
this.
cold for him. He's at home. Well, I'm sure he can feel our presence and he'll be here in a little while.
They hadn't heard any stories in a while. I love catching your grandpa on the right day where he's just chock full of stories to tell.
I need to get a video camera and recording. Sitting on the porch one day. Didn't have video cameras for my grandparents, great-grandparents. It'd be kind of neat to record that generation. And it just didn't stop anymore.
Need to waller it out. What you think? You want more than that or you like it?
Good job.
Grandpa Dick had a set of post hole diggers like that. Of course, the wood handles rotted away long ago, and he put some like solid bar stock steel for the handles on it. Which sure make its way to the bottom of the hole easy, but coming out not so nice.
My dad wanted has some kind of little compound deal on the bottom. So
Where you only pull it a little bit and
Yeah.
it closes.
pretty cool.
Heck
They're at least pipe handles. They aren't solid. They probably weigh 60 pounds or something like that. Goes down good. Make that hole a little deeper.
Yep.
Now it's about this deep. one?
Maybe. I don't know shit about concrete.
Come on, fake it till you make it, buddy.
I did. Pretty close.
That's pretty good. Going in good enough, Aiden?
Hold it right there, too. Okay, my worst quality is mixing concrete to watery.
Oh no. Pretty soupy. You put that into the ground with the well. And then pull on it. You got 2 bags in there, Aiden?
2?
We've been doing 2
Oh, great.
water for 2 bags.
Yeah.
Oh my windows are down. I lied. We're gonna need a splat. I need a splash, Aiden. Be getting carried away, damn it.